For those who seek the perfect balance between tradition, durability, and culinary excellence, this Mammafong pre-seasoned blue carbon steel flat-bottom wok is a game-changer. Hand-hammered by artisans, this wok not only embodies the rich heritage of Chinese cooking, but also offers a modern twist that ensures ease of use for everyone, from home cooks to professional chefs. Let's dive deep into why the Mammafong wok deserves a place in your kitchen. Key features of the Mammafong wok. 1. Pre-seasoned perfection. Unlike many woks that require extensive seasoning before use, the Mammafong wok comes pre-seasoned with a natural blue-gray protective coating. This high-temperature oil treatment not only prevents rust, but also offers a non-stick surface right out of the box. Over time, as you cook and care for this wok, its surface evolves into a rich black patina, enhancing its non-stick properties and infusing your dishes with authentic flavors. 2. Durable carbon steel construction. Crafted from heavy 16-gauge carbon steel, the wok is lightweight enough for easy handling, yet tough enough to withstand high heat. Its excellent thermal conductivity ensures even heat distribution, making it ideal for stir-frying, steaming, boiling, and even deep-frying. 3. Flat bottom design. The flat base allows this wok to sit securely on various stovetops, including gas and electric. No wok ring? No problem. The design ensures stability and efficiency, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. 4. Hand-hammered authenticity. Each Mammafong wok undergoes an intricate crafting process involving 36,000 hand hammers. The mirror-like surface not only adds aesthetic appeal, but also allows ingredients to glide effortlessly, ensuring even cooking and easier cleaning. Getting started, the Mammafong wok is incredibly easy to use. Follow these steps to maximize its potential. Wash, dry, and lightly oil the wok. Heat it on your stovetop to prepare it for cooking. Start your culinary adventure with your favorite stir-fry recipes. Cleaning and maintenance. Caring for your wok is straightforward. 1. Allow the wok to cool before rinsing with warm water. 2. Avoid using soap or harsh detergents. 3. Use a non-metallic scrubber for stuck-on food. 4. Thoroughly dry and apply a thin layer of oil to prevent rust. With proper care, your wok will age gracefully, becoming an heirloom piece passed down through generations. The culinary benefits. 1. Superior non-stick performance. Forget peeling coatings. The natural patina that develops on this wok ensures a long-lasting non-stick surface. Whether it's delicate fish or sticky sauces, nothing will stick. 2. Enhanced flavor. Each use of the Mammafong wok enhances its seasoning, infusing your meals with an unmatched depth of flavor. 3. Nutritional value. The carbon steel construction imparts small amounts of beneficial iron into your food, a healthy bonus for those looking to boost their iron intake naturally. Why choose the Mammafong wok? 1. Versatility. This wok is a true multitasker. From stir-frying and steaming to deep-frying and braising, it's a one-pot wonder for all your Asian cooking needs. 2. Eco-friendly design. With no chemical coatings or synthetic materials, this wok aligns with sustainable practices, ensuring safe and healthy cooking. 3. Chef-approved quality. Trusted by professional chefs and home cooks alike, the Mammafong wok is built to handle the demands of commercial kitchens while remaining accessible to everyday users. Conclusion. This Mammafong pre-seasoned, blue carbon steel flat-bottom wok is more than just a cooking tool. It's a gateway to authentic, flavorful, and versatile home-cooked meals. With its durable construction, natural non-stick patina, and timeless design, this wok ensures you'll achieve restaurant-quality results right in your kitchen. Whether you're stir-frying, steaming, deep-frying, or braising, the Mammafong wok is built to adapt to your culinary needs and elevate your cooking experience. Its pre-seasoned surface, thoughtful craftsmanship, and easy maintenance make it a worthy investment for both novice and experienced cooks. Ditch the takeout and rediscover the joy of creating wholesome, delicious meals at home with a wok that embodies tradition, quality, and convenience. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and bring the Mammafong wok into your kitchen today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.